स्टेनो महाराष्ट्र आपल्या या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये सर्वांचे स्वागत आहे। आज आम्ही इंग्रजी 100 शब्द प्रति मिनिटची GCCची पूर्वपरीक्षा घेणार आहोत। त्याबद्दल टेलिग्राम चॅनलवर आम्ही पूर्वसूचना दिली होती। तर जे विद्यार्थी आपल्या चॅनलवर नवीन आलेले असतील तर त्यांनी सर्वप्रथम आपल्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करून घ्यावे आणि बेल आयकॉनला प्रेस करायला विसरू नका। आणि आपला टेलिग्राम चॅनल जॉईन केला नसेल तर डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये टेलिग्राम चॅनलची लिंक दिलेली आहे, तिथून तो चॅनल जॉईन करून घ्या। आम्ही कोणतेही डिक्टेशन घेणार असेल तर आधी त्या चॅनलवर कळवितो। तर आजच्या ह्या पूर्वपरीक्षेमध्ये GCC प्रमाणे 2 डिक्टेशन असतील। दोन्ही डिक्टेशन हे 4-4 मिनिटांचे असतील आणि पहिला डिक्टेशन झाल्यानंतर 2 मिनिटाचा गॅप असेल। त्या 2 मिनिटांमध्ये पहिल्या झालेल्या डिक्टेशनमधील आउटलाईन्स चेक करून घ्यायचे आहेत आणि जे आउटलाईन आपल्याला अवघड असतील तर ते शब्द लक्षात ठेवून घ्यायचे आहेत आणि पेन्सिल वगैरे शार्प करून पुढच्या डिक्टेशनसाठी तयार राहायचे आहेत। तर जास्त वेळ न घालवता आपण डिक्टेशनला सुरुवात करूया। सर्वजण तयार आहेत का नाही हे मला मेसेज करून सांगा। आपली लाईव्ह चॅट ओपन ठेवलेली आहे, त्या ठिकाणी मेसेज करा। ओके, 5 सेकंदाने डिक्टेशनला सुरुवात होईल। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। लेडीज अँड जेंटलमेन, पॅरा, I am very happy to extend to you all a most hearty and a cordial welcome to the 25th annual general meeting of the company. Para, all of you must have received the director's report and the audited balance sheet and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March, and with your permission I shall take them as read. Para, the company is now in its 15th year under the new management. During this period we have steadily wiped out the liabilities of the previous year for the first time after a break of 12 years. The company was in a position to pay dividend on equity, which was at 5%. This year we shall be paying a dividend of 15%. Para, the year under review has been a most difficult one. There was shortage of power extending over a period of several months, resulting in a steep fall in production and pushing up costs. Added to this, raw materials have been in acute shortly supply. I am glad to say that notwithstanding these obstacles, the company has succeeded in recording an increase of 17% in its turnover over the previous year and in securing adequate profits, which has enabled the declaration of a reasonable dividend on equity. But for these major handicaps, the production would have been of a much higher order and the profitability also much better than what it has been. Para, during the current year also production has been increasing substantially, and further increase in output and higher profitability are considered distinct possibilities at this stage. During the first 6 months of the financial year, the turnover has increased by 20% over the same period of last year. This trend is likely to endure. The increased output has been achieved essentially by the modernization program, which is being implemented in stages and which is expected to further improve production. The company has its order book full for quite some years to come. Active steps have been taken to steadily increase the output in the next few years with prospects of much higher profitability, and I am sure the company will in the coming years be in a position to pay higher dividends and also create good reverse. The company, as you are aware, is largely depending upon indigenous technology. It has built up competent development department in company stock. अशा प्रकारे आजचा हा आपला पहिला डिक्टेशन झालेला आहे. ह्यानंतर आता 2 मिनिटाचा गॅप असेल. ह्या डिक्टेशनची कोणतीही PDF आपण देणार नाही. आउटलाइन चेक करून घ्या. दुसऱ्या डिक्टेशनसाठी पेन्सिल शार्प करून तयार रहा. आणि तुमचे काही प्रश्न असतील तर लाईव्ह चॅट ओपन आहे, त्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही मेसेज करू शकता. दहा सेकंदांनी पुढचा डिक्टेशन सुरू होईल. Be ready. Start. Education is one of the important sectors of the country. Almost all the people agree that the future of the country depends upon the progress in the field of education. But unfortunately, whenever there is a change in the government, either at the center or at the state level, the sector that is touched upon first was education. However, no government was in a position to achieve its objectives. This is not only because of the hasty decisions but also of the shortcomings in the implementation of the policies and programs of the government. The basic requirements of the field of education are good curriculum, committed teachers, physical facilities, and timely supply of textbooks. In the name of modernization of education, the curriculum is being changed frequently by the government. As a result of this, the students are put to a lot of hardship during their 10-year period of secondary education. Moreover, very often it is commented upon that the modified curriculum should be helpful for development of the required skills, abilities, values and interest among the students. Thus, the curriculum must help for development of irrigated personality of all the students. Then only the aims and objectives of education as well as curriculum can be achieved. Para. Another important aspect of education is committed teachers. Generally, most of the schools are not well equipped with the qualified and committed teachers who are really interested in the education of the students. A good number of teachers are interested in their own salaries, personal welfare and in extra earnings getting through various other means like private tuitions, valuation of papers, doing some business, etc. They are also interested in staying in their own native places so that they will be able to look after their property. Apart from this personal gain, they can also include themselves in local politics, and when time comes, some of them would prefer to join some political party, leaving the teaching profession. On the whole, very few teachers are really interested in their own professional growth, and others are otherwise busy with some non-professional activities. If this kind of situation is allowed to continue forever, I am afraid that it would not be possible for the country to develop educationally and economically even after 2 decades to come. There is therefore an urgent need to select the right type of teachers who are really interested. Stop. अशा प्रकारे आजचे दोन्ही डिक्टेशन आपले झालेले आहेत आणि ह्याचे आता तुम्ही प्रामाणिकपणे ट्रान्सलेशन करा आणि हाच व्हिडिओ आपण ऑफलाईनसुद्धा देणार आहे आणि तो यूट्यूबवर कधीही तुम्ही ऐकू शकता. ट्रान्सलेशन झाल्यानंतर हाच व्हिडिओ पुन्हा लावून तुमचे किती शब्द सुटलेले आहेत किंवा किती चुकलेले आहेत हे मोजा आणि तुम्हाला अजून किती तयारी करायची आहे हे तुम्हाला कळून जाईल. अजूनही 15 दिवस आहेत आणि आजची ही परीक्षा कशी वाटली हे मला मेसेज करून सांगा आणि आपल्या ह्या व्हिडिओला लाईक करायला विसरू नका आणि तुमच्या मित्रमैत्रिणींपर्यंत आपल्या ह्या चॅनलचे व्हिडिओ पोहोचवा. आम्ही तुमच्यापर्यंत अशाच प्रकारे वेगवेगळे डिक्टेशन घेऊन येऊ. तुमचे काही प्रश्न असतील तर लाईव्ह चॅटमध्ये मेसेज करून सांगा, त्याचे आम्ही उत्तर देण्याचे प्रयत्न करू.